Good day. This video will be explaining what is pre and co-requisite and how to avoid it. Prerequisite, it means you cannot register certain modules same time in one semester, which means you need to pass or complete a certain module before you can do other one. For an example, you need to pass or complete PVL 2601 to register PVL 3702 and PVL 3703. In brackets, you need to complete module A before you can register module B. This means that you can't register module B without completing module A. Sometimes it might require one or more modules, so you should be aware. So this means that you need to complete a certain module before you can register a certain module or another module. Co-requisite. You must take 2 or more modules same time in the same semester. You can't take module A without module B, or you can't take module B without module A. Those modules have to pair. And then please note that if later you decide to deregister module A or B, or one of those modules, the other module which is co-requested with it will also be registered automatically. So they have to pay. So if you decide to take one out, the system will take both out. So I just want to show you guys how to see if a certain module is pre or a co-requisite to a certain module. So you just have to enter Unisa website link. You can just type unisa.ac.za, then it's going to take you here. So you just press register, which is above the red dot here. Then after pressing register, it's going to take you here. Then from here you press this one where the red dot is at. All graduates, I mean to say all undergraduate, honors and what. Then it's going to take you here. Then as you can see, step number 1, find your qualification and choose your module. So you have to press step number 1. You have to press this thing. Then it's going to take you here. On this part, you just only have to scroll down until you see this thing. Different colleges. So you just only have to press the college that you fall under. Like for an example, let's say that you are doing LLB. Obviously, you're going to fall under this college of law. So you'll select the one that you fall under, or the one that you are under. So let's give an example about law. Let's say that you press law. Then after pressing law, you're going to see all the qualifications. So even if you press something that is different or something that is related to your course, you're going to see all the courses under that college. So as you can see, every course under College of Law, here it is. So let's just pick diploma in law because of this one I know it perfectly. Then you're going to see this thing. When you see this thing, you just scroll down until you see all your modules starting with level 1. So for those who are doing higher certificate or doing their first year, or maybe let's say that you are registering first year level 1, level 1 modules or first year modules, you're not going to have like this thing of pre-request or what. So here you just only have to scroll down until you see this. I just want us to focus on these 2 last modules. As you can see, PVL 3702 along with PVL 3703. So these modules are the ones that I gave example earlier. So as you can see on the right side, there's pre-requisite PVL 2601 along with PVL 2602. Same thing for PVL 3703, as you can see. Ne? So which means that you need to complete these two modules in order to register for these two modules. They are prerequisite. So which means that if you fail or maybe you are sapping one of these modules, you are not able to register these modules, which means that you need to complete these modules first before you can register these two modules. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, like, and share this video. If you have any related questions, you can ask me on all my social platforms. I'm always there. You can just type Tabashiuweee, Facebook page, Twitter, Instagram. You can even comment here on YouTube. Still fine. I will be able to assist you for free.